Okay, I got you. Keep looking.
Him inside, but he's not.
Oh shit! What?
One DC-1, he just took around towards us. One take the fire, just took around. Did you shoot?
Nope, I shot.
One DC-1, OIS. Officer still.
Oh my god. I can still see him. I can still see him. Robert 42, shots fired.
I got
He's still at the balcony area. Just shot towards us. Oh shit.
You're good. You're good. Get in your house now! You're gonna get shot. Get in your house.
Oh shit.
Unknown. I don't have visual. If I pop my head up, he's gonna shoot at me again. My partner still has a rifle. Right? You fired, correct?
Yes, I fired.
Officers fired. And then did you shoot?
Yes, he shot right at us. I saw the muzzle flash. He shot right at us, and he's still there.